It is Tuesday and I am starting this vlog off pretty late. What we're gonna do a week in my life, it's gonna be crazy. It is Fallas week and yeah, I'm on my way to my internship right now. Then we are going to a Fallas party this evening and I'll take you guys along. It is Wednesday and I'm going out again. I'm super tired. I stayed out until 5 a.m. yesterday or today and I had to be at work at 9, so I had a good 2 hours of sleep. I feel pretty dead inside. But we're going out again. We're going to watch some fireworks, get some dinner before. It is almost 9. It's 9 and I really have to get out of the door because it's like a 50-minute bus ride. So yeah, just want to check in, tell you that I am continuing the Fallas vlog because that's what's going on right now. It's like this huge festival called Fallas or Las Fallas, and yeah, so this week is going to be a tough one, but I can do it, hopefully. So yeah, dinner and then fireworks, then right to bed. Okay everybody, it's Thursday, it's St. Patrick's Day, so I'm wearing a green sweater. I thought I might not stay out long last night. I got home at 4 a.m. so I definitely stayed out long. It was raining, it was pouring rain, and for some reason we decided to walk to my apartment at 3 a.m. so, and the pouring rain, it was fun actually, but it was cold, windy and wet, so don't necessarily recommend it, except if the company is too good. St. Patrick's Day, we are actually going to watch a flower parade today, and then maybe go to a pub. Not too sure what is the game plan for today. Also don't know what we're doing tomorrow or Saturday. I have absolutely no idea, just take it by day here. It really is a huge party week and it's a lot. This is the first time that I've been out for 5 days straight and I don't regret it. Like I said, if the company is good, it's all good, so I don't mind. I might need to recharge next week though, we will see. But yeah, this is me being ready to go out. I really cannot be bothered with a full face of makeup anymore, so it's really just like covering all the breakouts and putting on mascara, and that is it. And I like it. It's different for me at least. But yeah, so I'm gonna put on shoes, jacket, and then go to the bus and go meet up with my friends, which I'm really excited about. I really like flowers, so really excited to see a flower parade. Done grocery shopping. I am going out later. We might. That's weird. We're probably going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So might go to a pub. Not too sure yet though. I'm honestly really tired. I really need to get some sleep again. I also still need to eat. I have not eaten anything today, which is so stupid of me. For some reason, I just haven't felt like eating, so yeah. What else? It's 7 p.m. right now. I'm gonna get home, eat something real quick, and then meet up with a friend for like pre-drinks. It's probably gonna be coffee for me though. But yeah, that is the day plan right now.